Hello everyone, today we are going to see about case study on anemia. Before entering into the topic, let me explain what is anemia. Anemia is a medical condition characterized by decreased red blood cells or inadequate amount of hemoglobin in the blood. Hemoglobin is a red colored pigment which carries oxygen throughout the body for proper cellular function. This can lead to inadequate oxygen supply throughout the tissues and organs, lead to further complications. There are four types of anemia. The first one is iron deficiency anemia due to lack of iron. The second one is vitamin deficiency anemia. It occurs due to lack of vitamin B12 or folate. The third one is anemia from chronic illnesses. Chronic conditions like HIV or AIDS leads to anemia. The fourth one is sickle cell anemia. It is a genetic disorder affecting the red blood cell production. The common symptoms of this condition is weakness, pale skin, dizziness, headache, shortness of breath. To prevent this anemia, patient is advised to take a balanced diet which includes iron-rich food. The next preventive measure is to take vitamin supplements to correct the vitamin deficiency anemia. And patient is advised to treat chronic illnesses like HIV or AIDS. And patient is advised to do regular checkups to monitor the iron and vitamin levels in the blood. Today we are going to see about a patient came with the anemia presenting complaints of fatigue, pale skin, weakness and dizziness. These are all the common symptoms of anemia. Patient is having almost all symptoms. Next is past history. Shivashankari will explain the past history.
For this patient, past medical history is known complaint of type 2 diabetes mellitus since 5 years on regular treatment. No history of systemic hypertension, ischemic heart disease, chronic kidney failure, bronchial asthma, pulmonary tuberculosis.
Patient is a known case of diabetes mellitus for past 5 years and the patient was on regular treatment. Next is personal history. Madhulakshmi will explain the personal history.
For this patient, personal history is no history of tobacco shaving, consume more diet, bowel and bladder habit is normal.
Okay. Next is general examination. Radhika will explain the general examination.
General examination, patient conscious, oriented and afebrile, patient having paler skin, no cyanosis, no lymphadenopathy and no clubbing.
Patient is having paler skin due to lack of hemoglobin. Next we are moving into vitals. For this patient is having BP 110 by 70 mmHg which is normal. Pulse rate is 92 beats per minute. Respiratory rate is 18 breaths per minute. Temperature is normal. SpO2 is 93% in normal. Patient is having low level of SpO2 due to insufficient oxygen delivery because of low level of hemoglobin. Next we are moving to systemic examination. Tamita will explain the systemic examination.
Systemic examination. Cardiovascular system S1, S2 present and no murmur sound. Respiratory system bilateral air entry present. Per abdomen soft, no tenderness. Central nervous system clinically normal.
In systemic examination, patient is normal. Next we are moving into investigation to confirm the diagnosis. Kalki will explain the investigations.
In investigations, under complete blood count, hemoglobin level of patient is 7 mg by dl, but the normal value is 12 to 16 mg by dl.
So patient is having low level of hemoglobin which indicates anemia. So we are confirming this patient as anemic. Next we are moving into treatment to correct the iron levels in patient body and also to correct the anemia. Patient is advised to take balanced diet which includes iron rich foods. Next medical management. In medical management patient is advised to take tablet Levogen, BD, morning 1 tablet and night 1 tablet. Capsule Ortrin, HS, night 1 tablet. Syrup Zincovid which is a multivitamin syrup to correct the vitamin level, low vitamin levels in the patient body. 10 ml BD. These are all the medical management is advised to take 10 days for this patient. So in initial chief complaint, patient is having almost all symptoms of anemia. To confirm the diagnosis, we are doing a complete blood count investigation. In systemic examination, patient is normal. In vitals, patient is having low level of SpO2, which indicates anemia. And personal history, patient is having diabetes mellitus for past 5 years, and the patient was also in regular treatment. So we are advised to take iron-rich foods and medical management for this patient, tablet Levogin, capsule Ortrin, and the syrups in COVID. And patient is advised to review the hospital after 10 days, completing the medical management and also dieting, proper diet intake.